Hello people, welcome you all to another episode of Sindhu Simple Cooking. Today I present you a very famous North Indian recipe which goes very well with roti, naan and chapathi, which is Veg Kadai. So without any further delay, let's dive in and start making this recipe. Do check out the ingredient list. So to make this recipe, I'm going to steam cook all my vegetables, starting with 1 carrot, potato, beans, peas. I'm going to steam this for about 5 to 7 minutes. You can also steam this in a pressure cooker without putting the whistle on for about 5 minutes. Just sprinkle around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water if you're going to cook this in the pressure cooker. And after 7 minutes the vegetables are cooked well. So now let's start making our veg kadai. Heat a deep bottom pan or a kadai and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is heated up, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera. After the jeera splatters, add in 2 finely chopped tomatoes. And to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chilli and coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and the salt that is required. Combine this well and allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until you see the oil oozing out of the gravy. After about 4 minutes, the tomatoes are cooked well and the masala has blended well with the tomato. So at this time, I'm adding 1 inch of ginger chopped. I've cut 1 whole onion into square pieces. So I'm adding that. 2 bell peppers, any colors of your choice. So we are going to saute this for around 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want to cook this thoroughly. So after sauteing this for about 3 minutes, I'm adding in all the cooked vegetables. Combine this well. Add about half a cup of water to this. And cook this covered for about 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame. So after 4 minutes, the vegetables are cooked well. Now it's time to add the garam masala powder. 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. You can also use thick milk or curd instead of fresh cream. So our veg kadai is ready. I'm topping it with some coriander leaves. Serve this simple veg kadai with roti, chapathi or naan. If you like this recipe, do subscribe to Sindhu Simple Cooking. I'll meet you all with an interesting recipe. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you for watching.